What is going on today, guys? Back at it with another video today. Right now I am on my way to another car show. Yes, another car show. Sorry for all the car show videos lately, but it's really the only thing I can, events I can go to. There is the Kingsman cruise next month. I'm gonna try to go to that. I might try to address the brakes on this car before I go to that, so we'll see. But yeah. Alright guys, I'm here at the show. I'm not too sure exactly how many cars are here, but it's a pretty decent amount. We'll take a little walk around, look at some of the cars. Nice SS. Nice Chevelle. I like it. Very clean. I like the paint job on this. Nice teal. I like the teal on it. Excuse me. Nice vet. Got Snoopy up there. Looks pretty cool. I like it. I think this car was in the white. Yeah. I remember it had the slant 4 in it. Or slant 6. Oh, it's a slant 6. My bad. Still cool though. One of my dream cars here, a Datsun 240. Still got the inline 6 in it. Who owns the Datsun? Yeah, that's what I like the Datsun a lot.
Thank you.
I kind of want one of those cars. I'm not gonna lie, yeah. I really do. That's one of my dream cars right there.
Sat in the back of my shed for 38 years.
Really?
I got it out.
That's cool. Yeah. I've been looking for one for like the longest time. They're hard to find. Yeah, but I like it a lot. You don't see them a whole lot.
No.
I know where a guy has one, but I don't know if he'd want to sell it. But I still like it a lot. Yeah. Really cool.
Thanks for looking at it.
Yeah, no problem. I like the IROC. I like it. You don't see them a whole lot. The only one I've ridden in one the exact same color as this, and it was my brother's friend from high school. He has one, and that was like so long ago. But I think it's still. I see it every once in a while. I'm kind of interested in trying to buy it off him, but
I've had this for 30 years.
That's pretty cool though. Did you buy it from the factory like that, or second owner of it? Okay, cool.
2-year-old when I bought it.
Oh, okay. Man, the guy didn't have it that long then.
No.
Huh.
November 88, I bought it November 89.
Wow. That's kind of weird. But you're keeping it good. I like it.
Wife's pregnant, girlfriend's pregnant.
Yeah, probably one of those weird situations. Yeah. Well, it's pretty cool. I like it. Rare to see an IROC. And then, of course, the car next to it. My dream car again, 68 Charger with the vinyl top. I want one of these cars so bad. I'll get there one of these days. One of these days. Oh, I like the wagon. This wagon's cool. I gotta take the cover off that motor though. The paint on this thing is so good. Just love that. It's so cool. Crosley pickup. What the heck? Who's the owner of the Crosley? You want to tell me a little more about it?
What do you like to know?
Well, I recognize the name Crosley, but I don't really know much about Crosley.
They used to make refrigerators and
Okay.
radios.
Okay. Huh.
It's a 47.
Okay.
They made them from like 39 to 52 or something.
Okay.
And trying to think some other things. Well, he made them all 4 foot wide. They were made in Cincinnati, Ohio. He made them 4 foot wide so they'd go into his appliance store.
Oh, really?
Because he had 4 foot doors on all of them.
Oh,
So they're all 4 foot wide.
that's interesting. Huh. Okay.
They're 26.5 horsepower.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a very. It's not very big. The cylinder's probably as big as this water bottle, probably. Yeah. That's cool though. I don't think I've heard the name Crosley before, but I don't think I've ever seen one.
No, they're pretty. You don't see them much. This one was sold.
Cause that's kind of like what's the other really small car?
Metropolitan.
Yeah, is it kind of like that then? Yeah, exactly. I think I've seen one down there. Yeah, it's like are they kind of like Nash a little bit too?
It's a Nash.
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Well, that's cool.
Thank you.
Huh? How long have you had it?
A couple years.
Couple years? Where'd you guys pick it up at?
Well, this was sold new in Rising City.
Oh, I'm actually kind of from. I live in Brainerd. So I'm kind of from that area. Okay.
So this guy was talking to somebody and he said, yeah, I got one in my barn. And he bought it and Keith Bowens had it for 7 or 8 years. And I saw it in Keith's place and then 3 or 4 years later I buy it from him.
Huh.
And then I fixed it up. So.
That's cool. I like it though. Something you don't see a whole lot of. It's unique. I like it.
We're originally from Chapman.
Oh, okay, okay.
My mom and dad used to run the Red Horse Cafe.
Okay,
He
okay.
used to live there, so yeah. So he had this put on there for me.
You know, I'm a pretty tall dude, so I probably wouldn't fit in that. It would be a challenge, yeah.
Yeah. Your legs would be.
Yeah, I think my knees would probably be in the steering wheel.
It's perfect for me.
Well, yeah.
I never
It
did
probably fits on a
understand
trailer pretty well.
what a farmer would ever do with one.
I don't know. I mean,
They couldn't hoard a bale of hay.
your dog would fit in the back of it pretty well, but that's really about it. But that's cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, I really enjoy seeing something like that. I like the oddball stuff. It's cool. Excuse me. Never seen one of those in my life. I've heard the name before, but I've never seen one in real life. That was really interesting. Really interesting. Oh, okay. Oh, this is just like my car. This is exactly mine. I don't have the panel there though. The pillar. Well, I have the pillar there. He doesn't. Huh. I have to try to find this guy. I need those hubcaps too. I've had a couple of those. Now this is a 59. It's a year before mine. Or is it a 60? No, this is... Actually, it might be a 61. Yeah, it's a 61. Okay. So, little fact, 61, they changed the body style because my car is just like that one. They all kind of made them on the same platform, essentially. So they just rebadged them in different trim stuff. So, in this case, this is 61, so they got rid of the fin. They did this in 61. Because my car, like that one right there, that red one, is the last year they had that big fin back there.
We're up there.
Ooh, this is neat. This thing is cool. This thing is cool. This thing is pretty cool. Olds Tornado. Lincoln Town Car. Nice Willie's Jeep. Like these old Jeeps. Pretty cool. Low key, I kind of want a Jeep. Be kind of nice to have. Maybe not something like this, like a YJ or CJ. Kind of expensive though. Suzuki Samurai. That's pretty cool. And this one wasn't branded actually. This thing's kind of neat.
Got my winners.
Wide body Nova. Or Vega, sorry. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I think this thing's on air. Oh, so low. I love it. I really need to put air on my car. Really do. That's pretty cool. Nice T-Bird. Ooh, this thing is cool. That's mean. Lincoln Continental. Wow, that's really cool. Another vet. Should I buy it? It's for sale. I don't think I have the money for it. Pretty cool though. Take a look at the inside of it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I probably don't have anywhere close to the money for that. No. I like that. No headlights. Didn't get them wired in time. Dang, that's a big motor. It's a Ford Falcon. Obviously that's not stock, but that's a big motor. Holy cow. Nice Tri-5. Very nice Tri-5. Excuse me.
It was kind of a package.
Oh, wagon. Look at the wagon. Oh. So cool. Whew. Nice Dodge Dart. He's got the zoomy headers too. Ooh. And there's my Magnificent Beast, but you already know about it, so I think that's gonna be it for this episode. Decent amount of cars. There's a couple, actually there's one nice Charger that just showed up right there. But yeah, this will be it for right now, for this episode at least. Pretty decent car show. I'd say maybe about 100 or so cars. But yeah, I am very sweaty. It's very hot. Gonna get me a funnel cake probably and just chill. So next weekend I'll be at a show in Toohey, Nebraska. And then after that, I'm not really too sure. I might maybe go to the Kingsman Cruise. I gotta deal with the brakes on this thing. So hopefully, I think if I can do that at least before the Kingsman Cruise, then there's a good chance I'll probably go to the Kingsman Cruise and hang out. I think that'll be really fun, especially, you know, the guys that ran that car club, the Kingsman, they really enjoyed the car. So yeah, see you next time.